Once we have identified our expertise, we need to find the prospects to whom we can offer it. To do this, we need to have processes in place to know what is happening in the field and to identify the opportunities we need to seize. Once the upcoming project has been identified, the right parties need to be found in order to start the sales process. We also need to have the ability to manage project potentials so that we don't waste time earning €100 when there's a deal worth €10,000 waiting. Those in the Samurai class can manage the chain valuations of projects because sometimes behind €100 there lurks a €1,000,000 opportunity. All these methods of identification, assessment, and management are controlled in BSM. Would you like to know more? Get in touch with us. We'd love to tell you more.